People out there are suspecting, but they don't know another plan. They really don't know. They don't. And that's our job. So, self-organizing, what's that mean? Neo-vitalism, chiropractic says we're self-organizing. What's that mean? That means our cells come together. There are over 50 trillion cells in our bodies, each of them complete, almost like mini human beings inside, and they form a community called this human body you were in. What an amazing thing. It's self-organizing. It's also what? Self-developing, meaning we develop. We grow. We grow from infancy, from a zygote to what all those other goats. And then we move along the path and we develop. What else? Self-maintaining, meaning we fix things. Stuff breaks down. Some of you killed brain cells last night. And you're slowly starting a synapse. I can hear self-maintaining. Do we have to think about that? Can you imagine thinking about that? What else the other one? Self-healing. I know we all tell patients, when you get cut, is it the iodine or the Band-Aid that does the healing? And patients go, but I'm not cut, it's my neck that hurts. You see, you don't make any sense. You don't. I know some of you are like, well, I thought that was really good. It's not. It's really not. You got to get in there and go, well, the reason your neck isn't healing is because you tore that thing up. It's all torn up. We could put duct tape on it, but it'd still hurt. You could put a big old cow brace on it, or cone of shame. The cone of shame. And it won't hurt. You got to tell them, stuff in there's all torn up. It'll heal. Well, how come if this thing heals, how come it's not better yet? Anybody ever tell you that? Let them know that because there's something wrong with this. What is that something wrong? To this design. What happens to this design? Chiropractors, what happens? There's interference to the intelligence that organizes, maintains, develops, and heals. There's interference to that. That's your job. Clearing interference in their thinking. Did you hear Wayne Dyer say, sometimes it's an adjustment in my attitude. Sometimes it's an adjustment in my nutrition. Sometimes it's an adjustment in my spine. Do you get that? What you're doing is clearing out that interference. It just happens a lot of it's around the spine. Get this so clear, so crystal clear.